just made a coffee at my house and I'm out because I went to the post office. I had to drop off a Depop order because I sold something. And yeah, the parking lot of the post office is such a problem to park. Like, there's no parking. It's so hard to find parking, so I just had to like park super fast and I ran in there. Like, I was literally in a handicap spot, which is illegal, I'm pretty sure, so I had to run really fast. So it was a very fast process, but yeah, I'm just running errands and I'm gonna go home. I love making coffees like with glass and just like bringing it to the car and driving. It's so good. So right now I just picked up some food that I had to pick up, and now I'm gonna head back home, and I have a package waiting for me downstairs in the lobby because I bought my brother his Christmas gift and I think it arrived today, I'm pretty sure, because that's the only thing I've ordered and it says that I have a package delivered. So we're gonna go get it and I'm very excited. I still haven't wrapped like any Christmas gifts just because I feel like it's too early and I don't want to forget what I have, like what I bought people and stuff, but I feel like I should definitely maybe start doing that either sometime in the end of this week, maybe start of next week, just because it's very like crowded in my closet and I feel like I have just stuff thrown everywhere. It's so messy and it's kind of like giving me anxiety. Every time I open my closet there's like a bunch of gifts, and so yeah, I kind of want to start wrapping, but I feel like it's too early, so I want to wait a little bit. I don't know, we'll see, but let's head back home. Right now I'm gonna make some lunch. I'm gonna make some soup. I don't know why I woke up today and my nose has been kind of stuffy and it's been like running, so I've been blowing my nose and I hope it's not like me getting sick. I think it's just allergies because I'm allergic to literally everything, so I think it's just allergies, but I'm gonna make some yummy soup. This right here is the best chicken broth ever, and it has low sodium, so it's not that bad for you. It only has 20 calories, as you could see, and it's so good. I love boiling this, and then I love adding seashells. It's like the soup that I make. It's so simple. Literally, you boil a little bit of water, you add the chicken broth, so then it could kind of mix up with the water, so you don't have to waste that much chicken broth. You put a little bit of water, like up to here, and then the rest you put chicken broth. And then I use seashells, but you could use any type of pasta, but the seashells is like the best for this soup. I'm obsessed. And then once the water and the chicken broth is boiled, you just put the pasta and then you let it kind of like mix in there till the pasta gets right, just how you like it, and that's the soup. It's super simple, but I love it. It's my favorite thing to cook. And it just smells so good. Like, the house smells so good and so like Christmassy. It's just like a warm little soup. And you could add like veggies and stuff like carrots, onions, all of that stuff. That's how my mom usually makes it, but I don't like those things, unfortunately. So I just keep it simple with the pasta and the chicken broth. That's how I like it. But when I was younger, my mom used to make it with like veggies and I would eat it, but now I don't like that anymore. So yeah, I make it once a week. Usually I make it either Sunday night or Monday for lunch because that's just like when the vibes are right, and that's just like my little routine that I made. And I love this soup. It's the best soup ever, so you should definitely check it out. And if you like veggies, then add veggies. It will give it even more flavor. So yeah, I'm gonna make that and then I'll probably make something else. But since the soup kind of takes a long time, it takes like 30 minutes to be like done, then I start off with the soup first. And it's actually a little bit late. It's 2:30, so I will be eating at like 3, so. So I just finished making lunch. I made the soup, as you guys saw. It's very hot right now, so I'm probably gonna like burn my tongue. So I think I'm just gonna wait for it to like cool down, because usually when you make soup or like food in general, you're supposed to let it cool down before you like eat it, because maybe it's like not fully made or whatever the case may be. So I'm probably gonna let it sit for a little bit. And then I made sausage. I love eating this sausage, but it's like so bad for you because it has a lot of grease, so I should probably stop, but it's just so good. Like, this specific brand is very, very, very good. And yeah, that's all I'm gonna have for lunch. Finally got my package. Okay, so this is my brother's Christmas gift, and honestly, like, I feel like I have like this problem where I don't like getting people one gift. Like one gift is not enough. Like I know it's like quality over quantity, but the thing is like I just don't like giving people one gift. I think it's like not fun. Like the whole point is to like open a bunch of gifts and stuff. So, but honestly, my brother's like super complicated. So if I had to get him another gift, it would have to be something small because this is already like the big gift. We'll see what happens, but this is all I'm gonna say. He doesn't watch my videos that I know of, but I don't want him to like know anything, but this is all I have to say, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna like open them and see if they're the right color and everything. And honestly, I don't know his size. I don't know if they're gonna fit him. I don't know. If there's a problem with the sizing or the color or anything, my mom is gonna be the one to blame. I'm going to have a little bit of chocolate right now because I'm in the mood for chocolate. And it's actually such a like cozy day today because the sun isn't really out. So I don't know, I feel like it's like the perfect cozy day. But I've been eating this chocolate. It's like almost done. Literally, I've been eating like a little piece every day, so it's almost out, but it's fine because it's mine, because everyone else likes different chocolates, but I like milk chocolate. So the quality of this chocolate is to die for. Like it's unmatched. No other chocolate brand can beat this. It's too good. So it is currently 5 p.m. I think it's about to be 5 or something like that. It is around that time. And the sun goes down at 5:30 because I checked the weather app and that's what it says. But there's no sun right now. It's kind of like gloomy and it's the perfect weather to go on a little afternoon walk. So I haven't gone on an afternoon walk in a while and I don't know, I'm in the mood to. I didn't work out this morning and I've had such a busy day, like such a productive day. I've been running around doing a bunch of things. So I wanted to take advantage of this nice weather. I'm gonna pick out a little outfit and I'm just gonna go on a walk. Like I'm just gonna walk. I'm gonna put on my AirPods, put on a podcast. I have this podcast that I want to listen to. So I'm gonna listen to a little podcast episode from my favorite podcaster and I'm just gonna vibe and appreciate the nature. I just feel like that's so important and so good for your mental health to just go on walks. Like it's just so peaceful. And I have like a bunch of little like trails that I go to. Like when I get out of my street, I have like 3 ways to go. I could go right, straight, or left. And so every time I go on a walk, I have to decide which way I want to go. And I think I'm gonna go left because I always go straight or right. I don't know why I'm telling you this, like as if you understand what I'm talking about. But lately I've been kind of bored of like going straight or right. So I think I'm gonna go left, which is just like the main street. I don't want to say too much. I feel like I'm talking too much. But anyways, I'm gonna pick out an outfit and see what we do. I haven't worn this set in so long. It's my favorite set, but I don't know why I haven't worn it in so long. It's these Nike black shorts with the Nike top. So I think I'm gonna wear this because it's so cute. Okay, so as you guys could see, I just put on the little set. It's so cute. I still have to put on my shoes. I think I'm gonna make a little strawberry shake before leaving because I feel like the sun isn't gonna start going down until like 5:30 and it's like 5, so I think I have time to make myself a little strawberry shake. So we have this like Ninja like smoothie maker and I've only used it once. It comes with like this big thing. I had strawberries this morning actually, but I don't know, I just feel like having a little shake. But I'm gonna try to make it small because I'm not really hungry. I don't know, I just felt like making a shake. Also, we need to get a new cutting board because this one is disgusting. Like it's literally disgusting. We have, but like not for fruit. Like this, I like this type for fruit. So I just finished making this smoothie. It looks kind of white with the lighting. I don't know why. But I think I put too much milk, which is kind of annoying because it literally looks white. Like it looks like, I don't even know what it looks like. But it had this little pink straw. It's so cute. Let's try it out. It tastes kind of milky, but like it's good. I just don't like how it looks so white. Like it looks kind of pink in person, but I don't know. But anyways, it's really good. I'm gonna drink this and go on a little walk. Weather is so nice right now. Like I'm obsessed. It's like not humid or hot at all. It's like the perfect weather, perfect temperature. It's nice and breezy, so nice. Okay, so it's obviously dark right now. It's currently like 5:30 or 6, I don't know. And I'm walking back home. I'm like already in my street. But it's so annoying how it's like dark right now because I can't see anything and it feels like it's like 8 p.m. but it's actually like 6. So yeah, I'm walking back home. I am gonna shower now. I've been listening to music this whole time. Like I don't know why, I've just been in a little mood.